Hey, what's going on, family? What do you think Cardano's next big price move is going to be? Do you think it's going to continue to go higher, or do you think it's going to continue to go lower? Could we see price run to this sell zone right here around 40 cents? Before I break that down, welcome to the channel. This is what we do. We go ahead and drop price predictions, simply looking at a price chart, not trying to cause any confusion. We don't try to equate the news according to what price is doing. Rather, we pay attention to the price action into the market rather than the news, because the price gives us a bigger advantage. It gives us an edge as to what the market participants are anticipating. All right, so we did this price prediction in Cardano on the 16th of August. Here it is 3 days later. We had been looking for the market to trend up in ADA, and currently that hasn't been the case. So before I really break this down, join me, follow me, do the run-of-the-mill things that all social media influencers want you all to do. Click the like, share, subscribe, all that type of stuff, so that you can ensure that when we drop this content, you'll be one of the first ones to see what I think is about to drop in the market. All right, so let's talk about it though, because I haven't been a fan of the price action in ADA since I did my video 3 days ago. I haven't been a fan because it's telling me that the price action is still harnessing sellers. Like, the sellers are still here. And when you're anticipating a certain direction to happen into the market, you don't want to see the opposite happen, right? So I'm looking for the market to go up in Cardano, but instead of it going up, you guys can see that we're still seeing weakness into the market. Even to conclude the day that we did our video right here, we still saw selling hitting the market. The market closed off of the highs, and then we're still seeing selling on the 18th, and currently we're down 1.5% in ADA. Now, I'm not saying that I'm going to get rid of this price prediction yet, but look at how the market has traded over the last 3 days. We need to see the market, if anything, hold this area right here. Okay, we don't want to see the buyers relinquish this position. They need to hold this area for our price prediction to have another chance. The moment that I see price in ADA break this buy zone, so it's like around 30.5 cents to 32. If we fall below that, then this massive weakness that occurred back in July, that completely crashed, is just taking a break right now, and then it's going to continue to fall lower. Okay, I'm just telling you that now. So looking at ADA on the weekly time frame, how do you think the week fared for ADA? Okay, we saw a lot of volume hit the market in ADA on the week of August the 5th. Next week, on the 12th of August, we didn't get that much volume. Look at how low that volume occurred into the market in ADA. What do you think that means? You don't think the buyers were incentivized to come in and buy in that market? Or do you think that they were testing to see if the sellers are still there? I think this week right here is going to be a massive clue as to whether or not we're going to break up or break down. Okay, so now let me see, because we already know the overall direction, the trend. We know who's dominating the price in ADA, and it's the sellers right now. Okay, what we're trying to do is figure out, would this be the base, would this be the bottom, before we see the market in ADA break out and continue to go higher in price, because we haven't seen that just yet. We haven't seen it. So let's look at this on a 3-weekly chart. So how do you think this 3-weekly price bar looks? Do you think it's bullish, or do you think it's bearish? Right now, I think it's mixed. I think we saw majority selling occur, but the buyers definitely stepped in for us to see the market close off the lows. So it's definitely kind of mixed, but I give the sellers the edge right now. I definitely give the sellers the edge. And this comes off of what occurred on this 5-weekly price bar. That is why the market in ADA is weak. Like, look at how massive this price bar spread is. That's why we're still seeing a weakness in the market today. Something changed into the market in ADA on that 5-weekly price bar. Here it is on the monthly time frame. Okay, so as of right now, am I bullish? No. Am I still holding to our price prediction? Yes. But I must tell you that I don't like the price action. I don't like it. So like I told you, I'm paying attention to this 31.5 cents to 32 cent area. Because if we see price break below that, then be prepared for us to come back down and test this buy zone down there around like 28 to like 29 cents. Just keeping it real. Okay. So looking at this on the 5-hour chart, you guys can see right here on this 5-hour bar, we got that indication of strength right here, which was great. But the negative thing is that it came right back down. So what does that mean? Well, this is a sell zone on the 5-hour chart right here. That's a sell zone because the market has been pinging its head right there around that sell zone of 34.5 cents. And every time we hit that area, what happens? Look, the chart don't lie. There's a big seller in the market in ADA right there around 34.5 cents to 34 cents. To the point to where we even attempted another run up to 34.5 cents, and it didn't even reach in that time. So like I said, I'm not that positive about the price action in Cardano right now. Definitely looking kind of suspect in terms of looking for the market to go up. It's definitely looking suspect. You know, part of me kind of want to get rid of this price prediction. And play the market move to the downside. I think I might just do that. So yeah, let me get rid of this price prediction here. That would be down 3.25%, and we're going to play the market move down. I just don't like the price action. Okay, so our targets are going to be right here. Either at the high or the low of this first buy zone. At the low, it's going to be 4.5%. Then our second target is going to be right there around like 28 cents again. Okay, so let's put this back on the daily. And we're going to draw this sell zone. This is going to be our target for ADA. Okay, so I'm done. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. What do you guys think? Let me know. Because currently I'm kind of torn in between, the price action right now. It definitely looks weak. The overall trend is weakness, is down. It's kind of like you're just trying to catch the bottom. I know many people like to drop comments and say, don't try to catch a falling knife. This could be one of those situations to where people are trying to catch a falling knife, and we haven't seen a definitive confirmation that the buyers are really willing to hold price at a certain level. We haven't really seen that yet, which is one reason why I'm going to go ahead and play some weakness to the market. All right, so yeah, give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.